can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox. The Sandbox is up 7.8% over the last 1 week. It's up 21% over the last 1 year. Altcoins are gearing up for an epic altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. How will it affect the price of Sandbox? How will it affect the price of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market? Sentiment is neutral right now. Are we going to start pumping to the moon? Where are those key levels where we might get rejected? It's a new all-time high possible. We'll answer all those questions in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The Sandbox, the market cap of $710 million, currently trading around $0.29, has an all-time high of around $8.44. It got there in 2021. We saw it trading for around $8.44. Right now is down 96% from that all-time highs. It has a market cap of $747 million, a fully diluted market cap of $871 million. If you look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, we've been consolidating for over 2 years. We're waiting for the Sandbox to give us one of those big pumps to the moon. How high are we going to go? We first need to rally past the $0.88 level. That's proving to be a very difficult level. Over the last few years, we've seen the Sandbox get to the $0.88 level and always get rejected there. But I believe, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we'll see it rally past that $0.88 level. We saw it getting there in November of 2024. Since then, it has given back all those gains. Since then, we have seen it dump 77%. Remember, guys, all coins are very volatile. This is one of the most volatile markets in the world. Yes, you can get those huge gains from these altcoins. At the same time, you can register some huge losses. But if you're patient enough, the market eventually goes up in a straight line. Now, if you look at what the Sandbox did in November of 2020, it was pumping. It's rallied up by over 3,000%. And after that 3,000% rally, I'm sure a lot of market participants would have been buying, expecting it to continue up in a straight line. We saw it losing under 83% of its value before it went for the final pump to the upside, where it set new all-time highs. And that final pump started in June. And by the time we got to November, the Sandbox rallied up another 5,000%, which meant in total, from the bottom for it in November of 2020 to where it ended the rally in November of 2021, we saw the Sandbox rallying up by more than 22,000%. For context sake, $1,000 invested in the Sandbox when the rally started would have returned more than $222,000. But remember, guys, volatility is your friend in the cryptocurrency market. Yes, we could easily pump to the moon aggressively, but then there's the downside to that, where these altcoins could dump 80 to 90+%, which is what Decentraland Mana did, which is what a lot of altcoins did. Even the Sandbox also lost 95% of its value in that bear market. Looking at the bear market dump, Decentraland Mana started finding of support around the 96% down region, when it was down 96% from the top. At the bottom, it was down 97% from the all-time highs. Thank God that's where Decentraland Mana found the bottom. That's actually where the Sandbox also found the bottom. But then we have to inverse our thought process and ask ourselves, how high can we possibly go? For us to rally above the $0.88 level, guys, we need to see around the 200% pump to the upside from where we're currently trading. For Decentraland Mana and the Sandbox to rally to new highs, we need to see an epic pump to the moon. The Sandbox, we need more than a 2,700% pump to get to the previous all-time highs. I don't think we'll be seeing that pump anytime in 2025, but I won't be shocked if Decentraland Mana and the Sandbox rally past the $0.88 level. If Sandbox rally past there, guys, there's another strong resistance for Sandbox at the $3.73 region. That's a 1,000% pump for when we're currently trading. If you want to buy some Sandbox tokens for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Sandbox tokens. Launched in 2011, the Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell assets in form of a game by combining the power of decentralized autonomous organization and non-fungible tokens. The Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for a thriving gaming community. Guys, you're playing a game here. You're playing a game of patience to buy low and to sell high. at some point in time, the nearest future, we're going to see an epic altcoin season. Historically, that's how the market cycle has ended. If you don't know what an alt season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's an altcoin season. And the trick is to buy these altcoins before they get to altcoin season. Historically, altcoin season has been the final phase of the market cycle. After altcoin season, we see a huge dump to Goblin Town on a monthly time frame. We can see that a lot of altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin over the last 1 month. We have been swinging in and out of an altcoin month, but I believe before the end of the year, we'll see the cycle come to an end. And I strongly believe we'll see sentiment improve in the cryptocurrency market. To greed, remember, the job is to buy when there's fear in the market, to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the bulls and the bears are battling it out with neutral sentiments. Even though Bitcoin and Ethereum is trading near all-time highs, market participants want higher prices. And if you look at the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, hopefully will give us that big pump like we saw in 2021, where it rallied for around 21 days for 800% against Ethereum. In the cryptocurrency market, you have to remember all things are possible, but then volatility can be your enemy if you buy the top. After that huge pump in 2021, we've seen the Sandbox lose 96% of its value against Ethereum, going back to prices not seen since January of 2021. I won't be expecting a pump to new all-time highs, but I'll be expecting to outperform Ethereum maybe by 200 to like 400% over the next few days and the next few weeks. The logic behind it is that some smart market participants would have made huge profits trading Ethereum, trading Bitcoin. They will rotate that profit into the altcoin market. The Sandbox is one of the altcoins you expect those profits to end up in. If you look at the Sandbox market cap, it sits at the $750 million level. The line in the sand is around $2.5 billion, $4.5 billion. And for us to break to new all-time highs, we need to see the Sandbox market cap rally past $7.5 billion. From where we're currently trading, that requires the Sandbox pumping by about 1,000% to the upside, which is very possible. We've seen it happen in the past, and we saw it happen in the past in a very short space of time. We saw it happen in 21 days. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, currently dumping. Historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has led to good times for all coins in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance is dumping, it means new capital entering the cryptocurrency market. It's skipping over from Bitcoin, heading to the altcoin market, chasing those gains. And altcoin market is where you could get those 10x, 20x, 30x, even those 100x. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Sandbox token? How high do you see the Sandbox going in the coming days and the coming weeks? More importantly, do you think a new all-time highs is possible for the Sandbox? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.